The Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia has denied reports of vaccine shortage. He's in fact accused the state governments of making quote-unquote useless statements to create panic among the people. Now, Mandavia posted a series of 6 tweets today to say that states are being informed about the availability of vaccines well in advance and they are supposed to plan the vaccine dissemination accordingly. He's held states responsible for mismanagement, for long queues. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin had written to the Prime Minister just yesterday complaining that the state was not being allocated enough vaccines by the centre. The Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren has also complained of vaccine shortage, as has the Delhi Deputy Chief Minister, as Delhi also ran out of vaccine supply on Tuesday, thereby pausing the drive. Let's first go across to my colleague Sukirti joining us with the very latest on this. Sukirti, it's quite a stern set of tweets that have actually been put out by the new Union Health Minister, pretty much blaming the states for creating panic, for mismanagement. But what really is the situation on the ground? You yourself have been reporting on stories of vaccine shortage.
Well, yes, absolutely, Rishika. So on one hand, the centre says that it is mismanagement from the end of the state governments. But the state governments, on the other hand, have been saying that we had been asked to ramp up the vaccination facilities, and that is why more and more centres have been created. But now when people are turning up at these centres, we don't have doses enough to offer them because we are not getting enough supplies from the centre. If you look at Delhi today, there were long queues outside vaccination centres. People kept waiting. Many of them by 3 p.m. when they turned up, they were told that there was only a very little stock of vaccine doses that was sent to us, that we've already finished with people who came with online registrations. We can no longer have people who are coming for walk-in vaccinations, which was a big feature, which was announced with a lot of pomp and show that now vaccination is very easily accessible for a lot of people. You can just walk into any vaccination center. But the problem that people are facing when they walk into a center, they are told that the doses have already finished. The 50% that we had, that has already been given out to people who came with registrations. So queues at vaccination centers in many states, on the other hand, closed vaccination centers. That is the reality of India's vaccination drive at this point of time. States saying we do not have enough doses. Center, on the other hand, putting the blame back on them, saying that you should have planned in advance well, that if this is what you're getting in the next 15 days, then you could have spread it out instead of exhausting all the doses that you received within a day or two.
Well, very interesting to see both sides of the story, but the reality on the ground, like Sukirti is reporting, is the fact that there are inadequate doses. What was vaccine hesitancy has now become vaccine desperation, with long serpentine queues that are being reported, not just here in Delhi, but across different parts of the country. Thanks so much, Sukirti, for joining us with that update. Let's take a look at how the numbers really stack up, because 37.14 lakh vaccines were administered on Tuesday. That's in the last 24 hours. But if we are to meet our own target of vaccinating at least 60% of our population by the end of this year, then we need to vaccinate 88 lakh people on a daily basis. Our current moving average is 33.14 lakh. This is the 7-day moving average that we're tracking. So where do the fault lines really lie? And more importantly, where does the buck really stop? Joining us to talk more about the state versus centre as far as vaccine shortage is concerned, we have Sujata Pandey, political analyst with the BJP, whose views lean towards the BJP. We also have Anjali Rai, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, with us. Anjali Rai, I want to come to you first. Your first reaction to the set of tweets that has been put out by the Union Health Minister. In 6 tweets, he's pretty much blamed the states for mismanagement as far as COVID-19 vaccination is concerned.
I totally agree with his tweets, because, you know, we are not getting ample jabs. And in this month of July, we got only 15 lakhs of vaccines. And we have to vaccinate 2.5 crores people even now. And if this is the speed of supply of the vaccination, then we will need at least 13 months to vaccinate the people of Delhi. So it's not our fault. It is the fault of central government, which is not supplying us the vaccines.
Right, but what he has essentially said that it is the lack of planning on the parts of the state governments, because the centre is making it clear in terms of what the dosage availability is going to be over the course of the next month, and therefore the states need to plan better. Your reaction to that?
See, we are totally dependent on the center for the supply of vaccines. Our job is to have adequate vaccine centers and administer jabs to the people. We had more than 3,000 vaccine centers, and we have to shut 500 centers because we are not getting the adequate supply. We have the manpower to vaccinate people. We have adequate number of vaccine centers. But if we don't have the adequate jabs, then what are we going to do? There is no negligence on our part.
Okay. We also have A. Sarvanan, DMK spokesperson, joining us. Remember, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister just yesterday wrote to the Prime Minister about the vaccine shortage and how Tamil Nadu is not getting its adequate supply of vaccines. A. Sarvanan, thanks for joining us. You know, I want your reaction on what the Health Minister today has said, because the new Health Minister has pretty much blamed the states. He says that very clearly there is an outline that is provided to states in terms of the number of doses that states are going to be given over a period of time, and therefore it's the states that need to manage disseminating the vaccine better, denying any kind of shortage.
No, I think the new health minister is not aware of what's happening. Probably he has not been briefed properly. For example, if you take the case of the state of Tamil Nadu, what had happened is that they promised almost around 71 lakh doses. But what they have given is only around a fraction of that has been promised for the month of July. So what they have promised has not been delivered to the states. Then you cannot blame the states that they have not done it. We are vaccinating at the rate of almost 5 lakh vaccine doses per day. You give us more, we will be able to vaccinate everything. See, that apart, this shortage, there is a shortage. The problem with the BJP government is that it is their colossal failure in trying to procure vaccines that has led to us to this stage. They want to divert that. They don't want that to be the topic. That is why they are giving these random statements that the states are not able to manage this, the states are not able to manage that. If you recollect, they said, the central government earlier said, we are giving the procurement to the states. Unfortunately, no state has asked for them to give that job to the states. And until India gets enough doses, this is going to be the constant refrain from the union government. They're going to say the states have not done this, the states have not done that. This is what they're going to do.
Okay.
Apart from that, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. M.K. Stalin, has raised one important issue that has not been addressed yet. He has requested the union government to reduce the allotment of vaccines to the private hospitals. They are not having full utilization. They are only utilizing around 10 to 15% of what is allotted to them. Whereas the states, the utilization is around 100%. But there is no reply to that. And apart from that, we also have a vaccine manufacturing facility in state of Tamil Nadu in Chengalpattu, near Chennai. We have said, please do something about it. Give it to at least to us. We will find partners. We will start manufacturing vaccines. They have been sitting on that proposal for the last 1 month, more than 1 month. This is how the union government is handling this pandemic. They are only managing the headline.
Okay, let's get in a reaction from Sujata Pandey. Sujata, you've heard from stakeholders of 2 states that have, time and time again highlighted a shortage of vaccine supply. Today, the health minister, in a certain sense, has answered to these states, saying this is your allocation plan accordingly. Does this not, in a certain sense, take away from the fact that there is a shortage of vaccines, something that the health minister has not acknowledged?
Okay, so having heard both the parties and having understood what the health minister meant to say, first thing I want to establish here is that we should not get into this center versus state vaccine shortage battle 3.1. We saw it in phase 1, we saw it in phase 2, where there was you saw a race of taking credit where things went right. The state wanted to own that credit and discredit the central government where things went wrong. So so one thing, so having kept that aside, and also the wastage, if you remember, the wastage in states were as high as 37%. I saw the video bite of Jharkhand Chief Minister. I mean, he should remember that his state was the highest in terms of the vaccine wastage. So as to say, in what happened in Punjab, what happened in Rajasthan, where vaccine vials were thrown in the dustbins, were thrown in the rivers, were thrown everywhere, where a lot of lives could have been saved. But I don't want to diverge into this kind of blame game. There's obviously a mismanagement. There is no running away from the fact. But one of the things that we must understand is that there is a global shortage of the vaccine. If I have to give you a data, 5 large countries, they hold around 54% of the global vaccine, and only 1% reaches to the unprivileged
No,
country
but I
like
want to
ours.
understand from you, Sujata Pandey. I'm very glad that you're actually highlighting the fact that there's a global shortage of vaccines.
There's a global shortage,
Because
of
what
course.
the health minister has insinuated today by the series of 6 tweets is that there's no shortage. There's only mismanagement and panic that is being created. That's what he said.
See, as
he
of
hasn't
now-
acknowledged that
as
there's
of
a
now-
vaccine shortage or that the center is doing something about it.
See, no, Rishika. I mean, we have to see things in perspective. If you see, we have 3 main producers right now: Covaxin, Covishield, and Sputnik, which is done by the Reddy's. So if you see, there is already, there is, in fact, Mr. Shavanan was mentioning that Tamil Nadu has a facility where they can do the production. Well, the government has come up already that if any other company has a capability, they will give the license within 24 hours. Sorry. you were
Yes,
saying something?
go
Okay.
ahead.
So yeah. So, and also they have also promised that already Moderna has been given approval, Cipla has been given approval. They have also asked for another 4 vaccine companies to come up and
Let me
have
get A.
production.
Saravanan and Anjali Rai very importantly to respond to the point that you make about the fact that there is also vaccine wastage. A. Saravanan, there are states
Yeah.
that are fairly
In Tamil
raising the
Nadu,
question,
8.8%.
very fairly raising the question of vaccine
Yes.
shortage. I agree that the health
Yes.
minister hasn't acknowledged that, at least not in his tweets that he's put out today. But Sujata Pandey also raises an important point, which is that there is vaccine wastage. What are states doing to manage vaccines better?
Yeah, see, in the state
Not
of
only
Tamil
that,
Nadu,
Rishika,
they've-
till we
Okay, let him
reach to a
respond.
state
Let
where
him
we can-
respond. Let him respond.
Just 1 minute,
Yeah.
1 minute. So I am just saying that till we have adequate vaccine to vaccinate everybody, which the government is doing moving heaven and earth to reach to that goal by the end of 31st December, which has been said.
Okay.
But all the states, if you see, there is absolutely no management.
Okay.
There's
But
no
I
COVID
really hope
protocols
that
being
heaven and
followed.
earth is being
No,
moved.
nothing
No,
is
no,
I
no.
really
happening.
hope heaven
No.
and earth is being
No,
moved.
can I
You've
come in?
made
I
the
can
point
give
of
you the data.
mismanagement, as has the
I can give you
minister.
the data.
Let A. Saravanan respond importantly. This vaccine wastage is an important
Yes.
point. Let him respond.
Yeah. See, when it comes to vaccine wastage, of course, the state of Tamil Nadu, there was a huge amount of vaccine wastage that was prior to DMK taking power. When we took power in May 2nd, from then onwards, the vaccine wastage has brought below 1%. And
Okay.
the number of vaccine doses that has been given, BJP and ADMK, they were in ruling here prior to our coming to power from May 2nd. It was during the BJP ADMK combined rule in the state of Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
There was vaccine shortage. Apart from that, Mrs. Sujata Pandey was saying that the central government was moving heaven and earth. We wish they could have. We wish they could.
Okay.
We wish they would, but they haven't. They will
The
not.
data
They are
says
incapable.
so.
They are
The data
incompetent.
says so.
See, the problem is the incompetence. The incompetence of the union
The
government
problem
that
lies
has
with
led
the
to this
state.
failure.
The
See, I can
problem
cite one
lies
example,
with the
Well,
clear
this is
example.
the
When
exact
everything goes-
No,
exact
allow me to
discourse
speak.
that one doesn't want. It has become state versus center. It's been state versus
Exactly.
center. And even after the
Exactly.
central government has taken up the responsibility of disseminating vaccines, there appears to be
And
a
Rishika,
blame
this should
game
not
in
become
place.
another
Because it is, I mean, let's face it, let's face it, Sujata Pandey, it is the health minister today who's tweeted to blame states, accusing them of mismanagement, of creating panic,
No,
of
he's
not
not
being able to
accusing.
manage
He's
the
not
doses
accusing.
that are
He's
being
just
given.
saying,
But the crucial
don't
question,
create panic,
but the crucial
manage it.
question of
No,
where
Rishika,
these vaccines are
Rishika,
going to
there
come
is
from
2
hasn't been
crore
answered.
vaccine lying with the state, ideal vaccine lying with
Okay,
the state.
but
What
the
are they
crucial
doing? Are they
question,
going to
the
use
crucial
that?
question of how we are going to meet that shortfall, and you have that graphic on your screen to understand just how much that shortfall is on a daily basis. That question remains unanswered. I'm out of time. Thank you all very much.